Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce clutter from your desktop and how to clean it up. So for example, you can see that I have multiple image files here on my desktop and I also have a few PDF files. So I'm sure most of you might be having this problem, and it's not a difficult task to remove all these things and put them inside a folder, but it is really, I can say, a tedious process. You will have to dedicate a few minutes or an hour or two to make it work. So I'm going to show you an easy trick. So first of all, you need to be on macOS Mojave, which is the latest version of macOS. So make sure that you have been updated to macOS Mojave. So on macOS Mojave, just right click on your desktop and you will see this option called use stacks. So just click on it, and there you go. As you can see, all of the files have been grouped together. So only similar kinds of files have been grouped together. So for example, all the PDF documents, you can see they are here, and all the image files you can see here. So if I click on this stack, it will show me all the image files. To undo this, I simply have to click it again. So as you can see, I did not have to do a single thing. All I did was just right click on my desktop and click on use stacks. If for some reason you want to undo it, just right click on your desktop and untick use stacks. So it will revert to the original condition. Again, to remove the clutter, just click on use stacks and you're done. This is all you have to do. So this is the easiest solution to manage your desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you.